Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Next you have to go to the display, wallpaper. Here you have a choice if you want to put your own photo or image as a wallpaper, or you can just select one of the presets here. Let's select, for example, this one. Then you tap on set wallpaper. Next you have to choose if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or both. I'll go with both. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And here too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.